Hi, it's Emilio at Immobiliser Fit. Today we've installed a Starline i96 on this brand new Jeep Wrangler. So the way the system works is if the customer has their phone on them and it's paired to the vehicle, they just double press the ignition, hear the melody, and they can start. If the customer's phone's not here and it's out of range, or someone does a key clone attack, relay attack, or just tries to start the car by stealing the key, and they don't have the customer's phone or the PIN code and they try and start it, you'll see the car doesn't start. Or if the customer doesn't have their phone on them or their phone dies while they're out, they can use the push sequence. So to do that, just double press the ignition, input the PIN code we've set for now as 123, hear the melody, and now put your foot on the brake and start. So if the customer wants to change the code, this is how it's done. So first you have to disarm the system. So we'll do that with the push sequence. 1, 2, 3. Get your melody. Now press any button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn the ignition off and back on, and you'll get 5 bleeps. So now it's in low mode. So we'll use this button now. So 1, 2, 3. Wait for a confirmation. Repeat that. 1, 2, 3. So that's a new code learnt. So it can be a combination between 3 and 21 presses in any order. It's totally up to the customer, but for now, for video purposes, we're just keeping it simple. So if you want to test that code, ignition on, try the old code, you'll see it won't go in, won't get your melody. So now with the new code, ignition on, pop the code in, 1, 2, 3. Hear the melody and we can start. If the customer wants to take the car for a service, this can be done through the buttons or through the app. The easiest way is through the app, so we'll show you how that's done. So if you go into the app, you've got your green circle. If you just press and hold on that, when it goes yellow, release, you'll get 2 bleeps. So now the car's in service mode. So you don't need a car, don't need to give them the PIN code. They can drive it around the workshop, service it, road test it, and it's a normal car. So we'll just show you that. Starts up fine, no melody. When you get the car back, just do the same thing in reverse. Finger on the key and hold it till it goes green. Release, get your 2 bleeps, and the car's now protected again. So if you turn your Bluetooth off, give it about 10 seconds and then try and start it, you'll see the car doesn't start. So if we try to start it, car won't start, it's protected, so you need the phone or the code. Get this fitted in your vehicle, give us a call. It's Emilio at Immobiliser Fit. The number to us is 0208 212 7393. Thank you.